One of the most powerful aspects of the Axis learning management system is the concept of automations. Automations can be used to solve most scenarios that aren't available as a checkbox or configuration setting. In the simplest terms, they let you set up a series of events that occur upon a user action, and you can even chain them together for more sophisticated scenarios. There are many different categories of automations. They are all user-driven, meaning a user action is what triggers the system to react. You can set up automations to happen when users enter their online account, and when they participate in an online course. You can also apply automations to product purchases. For my demonstration today, I've set up a scenario to show you how each of these different automations can interact with one another. Here is a flowchart of the logic I will be using. First, I'll set up a product that gives users access to 2 courses, but just for the summer. When the user signs in, the system will check to see if they purchase the product, and if so, it will enroll them into the 2 courses that are part of the package. Next, when a user starts either of those courses, the system will make sure that if they gained access to the courses by purchasing the Summer Access product, the course access date will be set to expire at the end of the summer. I'm going to start off with an automation that is attached to a product purchase. I'll navigate to the shopping cart area. I am opening the Products for Sale tile, and then adding in a new product. I'll fill in the information about this product. For product purchases, the automation portion happens when the order is successful. At the bottom of the settings for our product, we can set up the system's automation configuration for the purchase. For my example, I'm going to have users be able to purchase their way into a group of online courses using this single product. I'm creating and setting a system tracking variable upon purchase, which the system will look at later in another automation we will set up. More specifically, when a user purchases this product, their system tracking variable named Summer Training Package is being set to the value of purchased. If you are unfamiliar with system tracking variables, I'll be talking more about it in a bit. Let me save this product, then go back to the home screen. Next, I'm gonna head into the site design area, Learning Portal tile, then Page Editor tile, then into Editor Page, and add a handful of Learning Portal automations. These automations get triggered when users land on the page. After I click the Add Widget button, I'll expand the Automations category, and you can see there are several different automation widgets I can add. In this case, I want the Enroll in Course automation. I'll scroll down and click the Edit button on the automation widget I added. As I fill in and save this widget, I'm checking for that same system variable I created with the product I set up earlier. So now when a user purchases that product, they're gonna be added to whatever courses I pick when they next log into the system. I'll do this a few more times in the background to set up each course I want the user to be added into for this product. While I'm doing this, I want to point out, I am adding these automations on the first page of the Learning Portal. This is the default landing page for all users. Each time they log in, they're gonna land on this page. Because of this fact, this is one of the best places to add Learning Portal automations. One other small mention, what I am demonstrating here can actually be done more easily in other ways, but for purposes of this video demonstration, I think it's a good way to demonstrate the capabilities of chaining automations together. After I'm done adding the automations, I will return to the home page and navigate my way into a course. Once I'm managing a course, I'm gonna select the Automation Event Triggers tile. Course automations are actually the most elaborate automations available, and there's a lot more to talk about with them than I can actually cover inside this video. Essentially, you want to remember that the top part of the screen is the user action piece, and the bottom half is the reaction by the system. I'm gonna click the View More Options button here, and once again, our system tracking variable is going to come into play. We're gonna check how the user gained access to this course, and if they came from purchasing the summer training bundle, the system is gonna react differently than it would for other users. An important note about these two similar options here. The option, started this course, only happens once. The option, logged into this course, happens every time a user opens this course. For this example, I'm gonna set my automation so that when the user starts this course, something happens. We're gonna give them 90 days to complete the course before their access ends. I'll save my changes, then just a quick recap of everything I just set up. Alright, so I just set up 3 kinds of automations. The end result is that a user, who purchases a certain product, is being enrolled into a handful of courses for the duration of the summer. As far as the user is concerned, all they did was one seamless action of purchasing a single product. The last thing I'll do for you is do a quick demonstration of how this looks from a user's perspective. First, I'm gonna grab the Add to Cart link for the product, and then pull it up in a new window. I'll skip ahead through the parts where I fill out all my credit card information, and take you to where I first log in as a user after my purchase. As you can see, I have been added to both courses successfully. The automations all worked properly.